Meaning of fundi.
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 Fundi. The term fundi can have different meanings depending on the context. In East Africa, it is often used to refer to skilled craftsmen or experts in a particular field, such as carpentry or masonry. In other contexts, it can refer to someone who is extremely knowledgeable about a particular topic or subject. Overall, the term fundi conveys a sense of expertise and proficiency, and is often used to acknowledge and respect individuals who have honed their craft over many years of practice and experience.